I guess my first chance to do research was with Dr. Kaufman, and I did a orangutan behavior study at the zoo, and it was pretty fun.
You know, regardless of what your ultimate goal is, it's always nice to have to be exposed to research, and I think that's kind of how Laura saw it at the beginning, and then she really got interested in it. So a lot of students will come out, they don't really know what research is, you know. You hear about research this, research that, but until you get your feet wet and actually do it, you don't know if you might like working in the field or not.
And then I sort of had my own project at the Wichita Mountains where there had been a fire, and we were looking at how the small mammal community was recovering from the fire. And so that was my first real taste of field research, and I really loved it. And then this past summer, I had a really cool opportunity to go to Alaska and study permafrost. It's really cool to just like pull up this giant piece of permafrost. It's like thousands of years old, and like hold it and sort of experience that like ecological history.
We have agreements with like OMRF, the Boy Scouts out here, to give students opportunities. So we got a geneticist. So right now I'm working with him and a student looking at hybridization between rodent species. So we kind of combined the field ecology with the lab stuff. And then Dr. Ryburn's a botanist. He's working on the floral inventory out here right now. Dr. Kaufman's a behavioral biologist, and she works in Costa Rica. So we have the opportunity to go down there and use her research areas. So we got a good diversity, and like I said, we can kind of plug in between if students are interested.
The letters of recommendation that I've been able to get from my professors here have really helped. That's like what my employers and other places have told me was like one of the main reasons they hired me, is because I had really good letters. I have friends at like bigger like state schools, and like if they're lucky, they have like a good relationship with one professor, but like I could ask for a recommendation from like any of the science professors, and like it would be amazing and like personalized, and so that's been really great. Dr. Stancampiano gave me a lot of opportunities to do stuff here, and then with those opportunities at OKCU, it sort of helped me develop my resume, and then also like gave me ammunition for interviews and stuff, and so I got these other opportunities.
It's all about the students to me. If you get people started and you kind of foster them early, then they go on to bigger and better things. I mean, Laura's done some amazing things already, and she's got 2 publications before she was a junior in college. So I mean, not many people can say that, so it's nice. So I think for high school students coming in, get your feet wet early. I'm always looking for people to help me in the field, collect data, and then a lot of times that leads to bigger and better things.
You can find the opportunities if you're willing to make connections with your professors. They'll work to provide those opportunities for you.